This is the question practical session of DBMS. Now I am going to do the third question. Let's see the third question. So in the third question, I am the owner of the Rajapaksha grocery store, and I have decided to make my all day-to-day business easier by creating a computer software to organize the data. So I have to create the database for that organizing software. In the first question, I have to create the database called Rajapaksha DB for the name in the database, and I have to do it as a ER diagram given in the question too. And I have to create the tables, those tables: customer, product, and brand. In here they have given separated brand table, and I have to link the product and brand because brand is most of the products brand is in the separate table. And I have to create another method to store the purchased items, to keep the records of the purchased items. The customers will buy many items as they want. So let's start building. So I'm going to do it in the workbench, MySQL Workbench. I'm going to create a new module. I'm going to change the name into Rajapaksha DB. DB. I'm going to add the tables. I have to create 3 tables. I'm going to add the 3 tables at first, and I'm going to customize the tables next. Yeah, I'm going to first create the customer table. Customer, first one is customer register number. Register number, and it's varchar 10. Data type is varchar. Varchar 10, and it's also primary key. And second one is first name. First name also varchar 45 in length, and the last name on varchar 45, and gender and it's varchar 10. And the last one, contact number. Contact number also in length, it's 10. So that's it for the customer table. Now I'm going to use the second table. Second table is product. I'm going to create the product table. Product, first product ID, second it's data type varchar, and length is 10. Second column, product name. Its length varchar 45, and the third table, brand. In the first column, brand ID, it's watch and 10. And second column is brand name, it's watch 45. So now I'm going to create this relationship between brand and product. It's a one-to-many relationship. There will be many products in the same brand, so I'm going to create the relationship. So the product has a brand, but many products will have the same brand as real situations. And in the third question, they said I have to create a solution to store the data that customer has purchased. So I'm going to create a table between customer and product and save the customer's ID and the product ID. Then I can calculate the product that each customer bought at the shop. So I'm going to create a many-to-many relationship between customer and product. So I'm going to create customer. So that created the table called customer has products. So this will be the invoice of the customer. So I'm going to edit the table into invoice table. Items must data design database according to your CR diagrams. Purchased items, it will be invoice or purchased items. Let's see. Purchased items is good, and I'm going to remove the identifying relationships, so it will be non-identifying. So that's it for the third question. Okay, we can forward engineer the database also. Okay, forward engineer, next, password. Next, this is the queries for the database creation and tables. Okay, next, it's all created. I'm going to show the database. In here, Rajapaksha DB. There are the tables, products, purchased items, customer, brand, all the tables. So that's it for the third question.